Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Peter Rassenti Snafu first version here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Look at this. This is the old box from Peter Rassenti, where he used to write down the specs on directly on the blade. And here you have the 3.5 inch Snafu first version, beautiful integral frame lock by Peter Rassenti, Canadian knife maker. This is the desert floor pattern carved like directly into the blade. It's sporting a Mokutai pocket clip, has a pretty cool triple grind without the fuller in a two-tone finish blade. Look at that. Very nice indeed. These are not really thumb stud. These are stop pin. You see, in the open position and in the closed position, they're gonna go and hit right up against the frame. So there's no internal stop pin in this integral, because it would be tough. You need to drill a hole and just install like an internal stop pin right over here. You've got this bullseye pivot, which is holding together this very simply made and simple construction knife. Aggressive jimping in the flipper tab, right here in the thumb ramp. Nice wedge. Look at this grind, guys. It's just fantastic. This is a CTS XHP steel. Overall length of the knife is around a little bit over 8 inches with a, I would say, like 3.2 inch long cutting edge, and overall 3.6 inch long blade with roughly 4.6 inches long handle. This guy has a fantastic sound. Hear this. Very good. Nice and clacky. It's loud, it's strong, it's great. Nice detent, like slams open like with authority, close it in the shut down position with some soft and fantastic action and nice noise. Really cool, guys. This guy's gonna weigh in at 5.2 ounces in your pocket. Fit and finish is typical of the early production of Peter Rassenti. It's simple, you know, just chamfering going on. It's flat flat handle, but it's sturdy, it's solid, it's reliable, it's a beast. Nice finger groove. But I mean, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.